Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are all keeping fine. And so today I like to teach you class 4 maths. With the chapter is highest common factor and lowest common factor. That is LCM and HCF. The chapter is chapter number 8. The highest common factor of two or more numbers is greatest number which will divide each of the given numbers without leaving a remainder. So example, I'd like to give you an example. Let's find out the HCF of 28 and 42. So 228 I divide with 2, so I get 14. Again I divide 2 with 14, I get 7 and 1 is left. So 1 is there, 7 ones are 7. So you see here 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So this is an uneven number, so I cannot divide with 2. I have to divide with 3. 3 sevens are 21. And so now divide again with 7, 7 ones are 7. So we are getting no remainder. So the factors of 28 is 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 7. So it comes to, so this is the factor of 28. The factor of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. So you see here, now the common factor is what? The common factor is the common factor of these two numbers are 2, 2 and any more? No, 2 into there, 7. 7, 2 and 7 are the common factors. Of course, 1 is there, so 1 will get the same result. So the common factors are this. So it comes to 14. So the HCF is, therefore HCF is 14. So I hope you have understood this. So now let us go to our last exercise, page number 77, exercise 8.1. So children, please be attentive. There's exercise 8.1, page number 77, number 1. Find the HCF of the following. So A, 6 and 8. Find the HCF of 6. So 6 I have written here and I divided by 2. So when you divide by 2, you get 3. So when you divide by 3, you get 1. So 3 you divide by 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 divided by 3, you get 3 ones are 3. So the factor of 6 is 2 into 3 into 1. So 2 into 3 into 1. So where is the common factor here? 3 and 1. You can see these two are the common factors I have taken. And now the HCF of these two numbers are 3. Be attentive. Let us go to exercise number 8.1, page 76. So this is number 2. Find the HCF of the following. So we have done with 2 digits. And now we are going to start with 3 digits, how to find the HCF. So here 4, 8 and 16. So 4 I have divided with 2 and I got 2. 2 twos are 4. Here again I divide with 2, I get 1. In this case you see 8, I divided with 2, so I got 4. 2 fours are 8. Then 2 twos are 4, again I get 2. 2 ones are 2, 1. So in this case where I get the factors of 2, 2, 2 and 1. And here you see 16. 2 8s are 16. Then now we go to 2 divided by 8, we get 4. 2 divided by 4, we get 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. So the factors are 3, 2, 2, 2 and 1. The factors of 4 are 2 into 2 into 1. The factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. The factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. So you see, if we multiply, we will get the result 16. If we multiply this, we get this. So here I have taken out the common factors. What are the common factors? You see here 2. See, all the 2's are together. So 2. Here the common factor is again 2. And here the common factor is 1, 1, 1, 1. So here. So it comes to 4. So your HCF is 4. Is it clear? I hope you have understood. So children, I like to tell you what is LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. So find the LCM of 12 and 15. So 12 and 15, we try to divide by 3 and we get 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Again we divide by 4, 4 1s are 4, and then 5 we cannot divide by 4, so we just copy 5. And 5 we divide with 1, it comes to 1, 5 divided by 5 comes to 1. The factors are 3, 4 and 5. So we multiply these 3 numbers. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Therefore LCM is 60. So children, here I am going to show you LCM. How LCM you have to find out. That exercise number 8.3, page 79. Find the LCM of the following numbers: A, 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 I divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. The factors are 3 into 1 into 2 equals to 6. So therefore LCM is 6. Your answer is 6. So for your homework at home, page number 77, homework number 1, do the rest. Page number 77, homework number 2, do the rest, and page number 79, homework, complete your do the rest as your homework. Thank you. Be safe.